Right, so we're going to screw it up. Give the fuel pump. I think that should be plenty. Lock it up. And let's go and test it. See, there's plenty of power in that there.
We'll just see how long it runs for, because it'll take me about 2 or 3 minutes to rinse off my hair and conditioner and soap.
Plenty of pressure. And you can lock the top as well.
Do you need to pump it again?
No.
You're not going to get in and give it a try?
No. That's going to be plenty for a shower.
And how much water is in it at the moment?
Well, we put 5 litres in. And that's used 2 litres.
And you're still getting showers?
That's about
Is it
half.
losing any pressure now?
A little bit, but it's still enough there.
And the other idea we had about heating the water up was one of the black solar power bags what you can get. If we can heat the water up a little bit before we put it in, it saves having to use a kettle or something, but we're not quite sure how hot that gets, so we'll have to just test that. Probably not very hot weather this time of year anyway.
Well, that's used 3 litres. And that's still got plenty of pressure.
Yeah.
So you're not going to have to be stopping and pumping it all the time.
And you only need a couple of litres out of the kettle to heat that up if you had to boil it with the kettle.
The pressure's just losing now. So you only have to pump it twice.
Yeah.
So